baby bird.
You guys probably heard the lawnmower running. I was been mowing the lawn and birds have been out. Got them a new feeder. Filled it yesterday, maybe the day before, and it's almost empty. But they're all calling for their baby to get her first flight, or his first flight. Ida probably showed you earlier. Thank you. They're just chirping away, trying to get me to get the hell away from them, which I'm gonna in a second. I've only seen it in passing. I'm not gonna get too close to it. That's what we got Zoom for. I want the parents not to come back for it. There's looking in the eyes of a newborn before its first flight. Full of feathers. Been hearing these things in the back room forever. You gonna go out and fly, little buddy? Give you a boost out so your parents can find you? Here, why don't you get out there? I won't touch you with my hand, I'll just give you a little toe. There you go. It's got a good little chirp to him. Get your first flight, get up in the tree. You're out. Don't go running the road now. Oh, move over here so Mama can come down and teach him. There, we'll sit over here. Hear the mother talking to him. Oh, there's the mother. Just came down. Trying to get him to fly back up into the tree. Look where she's stopping him. Don't go that way, don't go that way, you're gonna get hit by a car. What? Car smash! We're gonna do a windshield. She's trying to teach him to get up there. Hey, don't be shitting on my light. I shit in the truck every time they leave. She's like, jump up here now. Come on, you can do it. Jump up here, then up to here. And you get you back up in your nest. She left him? Oh, he's right there. No, that's up to the wood. See over there? Yep. Need a stabilizer or the tripod. No, I don't think he should fly here soon. The mother just flew up again. There she comes. Is it the baby just flew up or the... Oh. She's still trying to teach him. No, Rex. The babies are trying to learn how to fly. You're not going to come out here. He's trying like hell. She's not giving up on him. Oh, there he goes. He jumped up. Oh no, it's a mother. They're so small, you can't tell. Huh?
That's true.
There he is, the little guy. Oh, he tried. Oh, he's up in there. He's getting it. She's teaching him. Look at that. That is so cool. Can you take this? Put it out, please.
A little bit down on the ground.
Yeah. Well, she got him up there. She's working with him.
Come on. Don't go near the edge of the road. Oh, this is tall grass over here.
I'm gonna go get him away from the road.
Right there? Be next to him.
Oh.
I don't know what's over there.
Is that another mother trying to get another one away from the road?
I don't know. There's...
Here, take this for a second. With a mower that low, it blows all the poop away. You got it back on the top?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a stabilizer. Oh, she's trying to ride on his back. She tried to give him a piggyback to get him back up there. Where do you go back on the ground? Oh, yeah. She's like, come over here and climb up to this one. Oh, just climb up it. She's working. Aww. Back to the ground again. Maybe he hasn't got the idea to flap the wings yet. coming back to see us. Hey, can you give me a lift up on that tree? Well, one of you two. Mother flies by like, no, not them. Mother's gonna try to get him back up there again.
Yeah.
He's getting there. You got in between there. Came whipping it around. Alright, Mom, I'm here, now what? Up here! You bitch! I just made it up here to you and you take off on me. Oh, it's terrible. That's a long fly from there to there for him. Uh-oh, new bird's coming in. Better learn how to fly before they get you, little guy. Yeah, we've been sitting here for a couple minutes. Nothing flew down, the baby's still there, but other birds are flying in, like Mr. Rockin' Robin over there, stealing a grub. And some stuff. Seeing I just mowed the lawn. See him, babe? Got a grub or a worm or something.
Mommy's back.
Mommy's back. Oh, where'd she go? Where'd the baby go? Fell off again?
No, he's still sitting there.
No. Oh yeah, he is. Plunge right in.
Yeah.
He's talking to her, trying to. We're out trying to alert that robin. Where the hell is he got? It's a grub. Can't believe he found a grub. He's still looking for more. Mr. Lonely Bird.